How does LOAM aim to harness the growth of the circular economy? By decoupling economic activity from the extraction and consumption of new materials, the circular economy is the sustainable alternative to the linear take-make-waste system. It is growing fast, accelerated by policy, technological and market forces that are making circularity the better economic choice. To invest in this transition, we focus on 4 themes: the circular bioeconomy, resource efficiency, the outcome-oriented economy, and zero waste. This helps us identify a thematic universe of investment ideas, from water treatment and biomaterials to specialty steel and waste management. Our circular economy strategy is a high-conviction global equity portfolio with a small and mid-cap bias and a focus on quality and attractive valuations. Nature is our most productive asset, underpinning more than half of global GDP. Are you harnessing its regenerative power?